Hello students, we have been studying the lesson number 10 field trip, and I hope that you have studied the question I have given here for the visit of a election division's office. Okay, now we are going to see how to write the report. Okay, that is report writing. Report writing. Now see here students, I have the questions given here. Okay, and according to the questions, if you have collected the information, okay, when you collect the information, okay, that is name of the office will be there. So with whom you have made the interview, that person's or that officer's designation, okay, their duties, then the various election conduct offices, okay, that all information. So how they collect the manpower required for the election, then on how many days prior election is the notice given, okay, then students, what does the work of enlisting new voters and updating the electoral list, okay, means all that things. Then they are conducting training programs, okay, who gives that training programs. So which are the licenses by the office during elections, okay, to the so who is there for the elections, okay, who stands the candidate, okay, for them they give licenses from the offices, okay, election office. So which licenses they give, okay, then on polling center, okay, during voting, how many people are appointed, okay, when is the voting of officials appointed for election duty taken, okay. So which people are there, what are the timings for the voting, okay, and in specialist any difficulty occurred, okay, in the time of the time of voting is increased or not, okay, that type of questions. When you ask what efforts are taken to make the process of voting transparent, okay, means there will not be any uh, bad things happen, okay, so means the for transparency, okay, voting transparency, what efforts are made, okay. Then advantages of and disadvantages of voting machine, okay, this if you ask them questions, they will answer, okay, how are voting machines obtained, okay, this type of questions. If you ask, and when asking this question, when you get the information and whatever the information you get, students, okay, you have to write the answers of that questions, okay students. The code of conduct is there, okay, when it is applicable for applicable, and how many days before and after the elections, okay, that is code of conduct, okay students. Means I think you also know that before 2 days, okay, before 2 days of elections, okay, no one has right to means candidates has not right uh, to take their the speech, okay, uh, that is they don't have the to take the speech or to address the people, okay, no. So that is the code of conduct, and after the elections also, this code of conduct means how the behavior, how that candidate's behavior should be, okay, means he cannot address to the people directly, okay, in this before these 2 days, okay, that is the code of conduct, how the behavior should be, okay. No one means the candidates are not allowed to bribe the to give the bribe to the people, okay, bribe means lakhs. So that is code of conduct, okay, that is code of conduct. So that for all information when you will get students, okay. Then getting that all information, you have one more work, that is okay, if you only you ask the question, you wrote the information, and your work is finished or not, students, you have to write the report on it, okay, that is report writing. So after collecting the information from the office you visited, you have to write the report. That is for that, okay, writing the report, okay, you can use maps, okay, tables, layouts, graphs, okay, students see, that is maps, tables, layouts, graphs, pictures and photographs, okay. means the photographs you take, no, you can also stick that photographs there wherever the pictures are needed. Okay, you can use also the pictures, maps also you can use, tables, layouts, graphs. Okay, so how you are going to write the report? See here, write report as per the following points. Okay, that is introduction, students. See here, in your report writing, the first point will be introduction. Okay, in introduction, what comes, students? That on which day, okay, you visited the place. Okay, that information you should write. Okay, and what is the importance of visiting that place also you can write. Then still, students, next point is personal working in the office. How many workers are there? That is personal. Okay, personal working in the office. The number of personal workers you should write there. Okay. Then nature of the work in the office. Nature of the work in the office. So what type of work is done there? Okay. It is writing work. It is the work on the computers. It is the work of hard. Okay, means hard work is there or what, that type of nature of work you should write. Then problems encountered and solutions. So what type of problems while working, what type of problems they faced. Okay, and how do they come out of that problem. Okay, that also you have to write. Then acknowledgement. Then after, students, you have to whoever helped you, okay, in getting this all information, you should okay, show the thankfulness towards them. Okay, that is acknowledgement. Okay, uh, though so in the last page will be, or actually acknowledgement page should be first one. Okay, before the report writing starts, the acknowledgement page comes. Okay, then sixth, the list of references. Okay, so which references you followed. Okay, list of references also you should write. Okay, so students, for making the questionnaire. Okay, if you have referred some books, okay, for getting the questions, okay, that book's name also you should write. Okay, then if you collected the information on the internet, that you have to write the that web page also. Okay, means URL is there, web page URL is there, and that you have to also write as a reference. Okay, and you can report this individually also, or in a group also. Okay, students, so that much information was needed for the report writing, students. Okay, so students, all of you write this. And means this trip is arranged with the help of teachers. Okay, so this type of question is made, if once it is made. Okay, then with the help of the teacher, you can visit any place. Okay, students, we will stop here, and the lesson is completed here. Okay, some pictures are shown here, students. Okay, so here map of the electoral constituency, this type of map also you can attach to the your report. Okay, here picture is here, so pictures of the election process, means when the election interview is going on there. Okay, sorry, not election, it is interview you are taking, okay, of the officer. Okay, that picture can also be stuck. Okay, then here electronic voting machine is shown here. Okay, that picture also you can also attach. Okay, sample of the electoral roll is given here. That type of pictures you can add to your report writing, students. Okay, in this way the lesson is completed, students. All of you write the question answer given on this lesson. Okay, students, we will stop here, and your portion of geography is completed here. All of you study question answers here. Okay, thank you.